crazy, life's a trip, man. It's like sand sliding straight through your fingertips. So take the plan, baby, throw it out the door. This time we ain't gonna settle, we take it all. Life is crazy, life's a trip, man. It's like sand sliding straight through your fingertips. So take the plan, baby, throw it out the door. This time we ain't gonna settle, we take it all. I'm a fiend for the stacks, got dreams of the lax. Some call it capital crack, I need that. I'm on the low end of this block, I bleed back. You can't advance, I'm defending my spot like Sparrow Jack. Wanna build like a pharaoh, but live like Kerouac. Some might say that I walk a narrow path, I'd say that's a nice joke. Repeat it like a psycho, and I'm coming back when I'm done walking this tightrope. I feel it in my heart, things fall apart, and I hear it in the wind when the beat comes in. It's like I'm hearing voices that no one else can hear, and I'm making choices that everyone else fears, but I don't blink, there's no time to think. And plus I got nothing to lose, I'm on the brink of the brilliance. Hundreds, thousands, millions, I got to get away before they spill my vermilion. Life is crazy, life's a trip, man. It's like sand sliding straight through your fingertips. So take the plan, baby, throw it out the door. This time we ain't gonna settle, we take it all. Life is crazy, life's a trip, man. It's like sand sliding straight through your fingertips. So take the plan, baby, throw it out the door. This time we ain't gonna settle, we take it all.